Alright, what's up everybody? It's a good day today. Good day. We got the axle back. Muffler delete. Nothing too crazy. Let's check these out. Already opened it to inspect it a little bit. Here's the hangers. Guess they gave me a plate cover. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. Went with the stealth black. Not bad, not bad. Here's the other one. I think we need to do one last stock cold start. What the hell? Why not? Get this garage open. Alright, here's the stock. Here's the stock muffler. And there's where it wires in. Here's the other muffler. These are going bye-bye. Okay. 2 bolts there. 2 bolts there, 14mm. I got them right here, ready to roll. Got my light. And there should be what, a hanger here. And a hanger somewhere else. Somewhere, probably on the other side. And then we got a hanger here. For this one. It shouldn't be easy. Where is that other hanger? Is it over here? Well, either way, I think there's 2 hangers for sure. 1 on each. Thought there was 2 on each though, but I'm gonna go ahead and get these bolts off and I'll be back. Alright, well I got the driver's side out. Here's what one stock 2018 STI muffler looks like. I threw the bolts back in here. The other hanger is right up there. So you got the one hanger right here. The other one's back there right above it on top. Then you got you put the gasket there and the 2 14mm bolts. I'm having trouble with the one bolt yet on the other side, so hopefully I can get that out here and we can finish up. Alright, so we got them on. God damn, that was a bitch. There was one bolt. That was insanely hard. Had to cut it off. Damn. Yeah. So yeah, I stripped one, had to cut her off. It sucked. But I had to go buy a Dremel. So I cut it off. But I think we're ready for the first start. Let's get this lined up. Let's go. Mufflers. Yeah, not bad. Remark Stealth axle back exhaust. They were kind of a pain to put on because I had the strip nut, but not too bad. Let's let it warm up a bit. Not that it's cold, but we'll rev it up a little bit. They look good on the back. Stealth axle back. Not too bad. Sound pretty good. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, peace out. Be back next time for something else to do the car. To this.